There are many advantages to starting your own Forex prop firm, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can help you start a real prop firm. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial market. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. A proprietary trading firm or prop firm is defined as a bank, brokerage firm, or a private company that trades stocks, bonds, options, commodities, or Forex using their own money instead of using customers' money. Overall, the objective for a Forex prop firm is to set up trader funding programs through leverage, which would provide capital to profitable traders. The prop firm charges sign-up evaluation fees to participating traders, which can range anywhere between $50 to $500 or more, depending on the size of capital they wish to trade and what kind of education they're looking to participate in. On average, 85 to 90% of all traders who participate in these challenges will fail. In most cases, the prop firm will retain the evaluation fees to fund successful traders while setting aside a portion of those earnings to offset any losses on losing trades. Once traders have proven they can be profitable by passing an evaluation period, they become part of a funded trader community with access to amounts funded with the amount specified by the Forex prop firm. Now here are 3 ways which I can help you start a successful prop firm. Number 1, choose the right brokerage liquidity provider. There are a lot of Forex brokerage liquidity providers out there, and I will introduce to you an LP or Forex brokerage provider that has a strong track record of fair executions with minimal slippage. Many of my brokerages have MT4 and MT5 platforms. I usually like to introduce my clients that have a good internal trade management system that will help you manage your A and B book trades. Hiring an experienced prop firm consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your prop firm. As a consulting firm, I will make the appropriate introductions with liquidity providers, software vendors, and provide financial management tools that will help your prop firm grow. Number 2, choose the right software provider. The right software provider should be affordable to all startup Forex firms. I have various back office software firms that have customizable customer relationship management systems or CRMs. I'll make sure that your prop firm software is able to perform admin functions such as workflows, receiving leads, allocating trades, trade parameters, and risk analytics. The software should enable the prop firm to set up challenges and terms and conditions and define events and risk parameters that will follow once the terms are met. Once your CRM software is set up, I will help you formulate your trader challenges. And it might go something like this. A potential trader signs up for a demo challenge. They are taken to a screen where they will pay for the prop firm for the challenge, usually through a credit card or debit card. After a quick due diligence, the trader is approved to start the evaluation. The trader then must meet the conditions set by your prop firm to move to the next phase. Once the conditions are met, the participating trader gets funded and the trading starts to begin in their live account. The software should also offer risk analytics functions and trade parameters such as maximum drawdowns, profit targets, and daily trading limit. Number 3, manage your capital wisely. Many prop firms have closed their doors due to irresponsible financial management. This is typically due to overspending of profits earned by the prop firm. Immature groups, owners then spend their cash on expensive cars and boats and not enough money left over to pay out their traders and other expenses. By engaging my services, I will train you and your team to have a disciplined financial business model that will help avoid the temptation to spend all you've got and focus on the big picture. Hey, if you're thinking about starting your own Forex prop firm or hedge fund, I recommend my ebook bundle, the Ultimate Prop Firm Guide and the Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide. Click on the link below in the description box.